Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off auto update on Play Store on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to turn off auto update on the Play Store gives you more control over when applications are updated on your device. It allows you to manage data usage, ensure app stability, and prevent unwanted changes or features introduced by new updates. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. First step, you can go to the Play Store. Okay, and then you can tap on profile icon here. Okay, so now you can select settings option. And on this page, you can select network preferences and click on the second option. Well, after that, here you can just tap Don't Auto Update Apps. Okay, so now the auto update on the Play Store is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off auto update on the Play Store on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.